Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So this is the new generation of the 2.1 amp for the USB power bank case. Last time I did a video on how to build an unboxing similar one like this, but this one is the new and updated version. It will fit 6 of the 18650 lithium ion rechargeable battery. So this is just a box and case kit, alright? It also comes with a flashlight. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Hopefully it didn't get damaged because not sure why the seller did not put it in like a bubble envelope. It's just a regular plain cheap plastic bag. So the reason I got this one because this one has a new and updated. It's supposed to have a ditch like showing like the battery level. Let me see. So it comes with this circuit board with the screws. Don't tell me it did not come with the screw sets. So I guess this one is just like a clip-on type. I'll snap it on. Okay, so yeah, it is a clip-on type. There's a clip right here, right here, right here, right here, on, yeah, right there, right here, right here. Oh no, this is not a clip, so right here, and then right here. So I need to, okay, so there are two notches right here. Is pointing where the USB connector is at. So this is the main thing. You need to, for the USB charging port, you got your flash light. Okay, right there. It's super bright. Here's a micro USB charging adapter right there to charge the power bank. And there is your contact right here. Battery plus is for the positive. And then this is for the negative contact. And there are your LEDs for your battery. I'm not sure what is this for, but let me check it out real quick. So I guess over here it will be showing the power, and then right here it will be showing 25, 50, 75, and then 100. Show your battery level right here for this 4 LEDs. Okay. Not sure what's this bracket for your oh, so that is for that, because I guess the old version that I have, somehow it did not show, it showed all 4 LEDs, so it's kind of hard to tell which battery level goes with what, you know, if it's low or not. And this will be your power button. And this one is a mirror finish. So yeah, it shows power. Oh no, sticky. So as you see, it shows power. You show 25, 50, 75, and 100. There you go. Put this back. So this will be going right here. All right. And then there's a plastic protector right here. You need to take it out for that mirror finish coating. So you better clean this up first before you stick it on. Clean with the alcohol. So the power button goes right here on the side. Last time was in somewhere on the top. So you need to remove this, and then you try to put on this power button. Then you will need to melt the plastic from those two posts, and then so you won't lose this power button. Hopefully I'm printing it correctly. Alright, so I will be building this power bank, and hopefully I will keep you guys updated. So this one's kind of bent. I'm gonna bend it back. Make sure you bend it back slowly, or it's gonna break on you. So the LEDs were facing downward, so you gotta put this. Make sure you put the button, power button in there first, and melt those two contact down. And then after that, you put this frame in there, and then install this in there. Wow. How it's gonna be a tight fit in there. Oh the heck. Let me try to remove this first and look at it. Hopefully I don't need to sand it down and modify anything, because why is it like that? So the power button is right here. So I'll keep you guys updated, because it's going to be a very, very tight fit, okay? And there are two posts over here. And then it's supposed to go into this two hole right there. So one, then two. Alright guys, so please be sure to like the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and then be sure to hit that bell for notification. Drop any other comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on our next video guys, like always. Peace.